Do you ever dream of becoming your best self? A better version of yourself? Not just a new haircut, but a whole new you. Someone who is ready to take on the world and make their mark. Someone who has the confidence to walk into any room and command it with their presence. The you that's actually finished writing your story and is a published author. The you that you always imagined that you could be. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, where we talk about how to play life better. Every hero has a story, and every story is about change. The hero wants something, they have to overcome some obstacles, and they realize that they needed to change in order to get it. We see this in video games, in books, in comics, movies, everywhere. And it's not just fictional heroes, though, that go through this process of transformation. We all do. We're all on our personal quest to become the better versions or the best version of ourselves. So what does it take to become a better version of yourself? All heroes get the call to adventure, and you're no exception. The call comes in many forms, but the most common one is it's this feeling that something is just not right. It's a whisper that's looking for the courage to make itself heard. Maybe you're down on yourself, or maybe you're too far inside your head and you don't even know why, but sometimes we kind of miss that call to adventure. We don't hear the invitation to grow. The path forward is simple. Physically leave your comfort zone and face challenges. But it's not easy, is it? It doesn't feel simple when you're out there in the middle of the darkness, failing again and again, dying into a new version of yourself. Luckily, failure is part of the process of growth, and learning how to fail is how we learn how to succeed. Joseph Campbell said, "The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek." In other words, your greatest fear also brings the biggest opportunities for growth and transformation. So go out there and find your fears and then take them on. To learn the lessons you need, there's always a mentor, someone who is at least just one step ahead in their journey and can teach you how to understand the new world you've entered. You'll make friends along the way, people who will support you and sometimes challenge you to be better, in a good way. They may be people you know in real life, they may be people you meet online. And as you do this, remember that not everyone around you is going to understand what's going on. Some people will be jealous of your success, others will try to hold you back, and still others will just be downright mean. It's part of the process. Friends or foes, they help you grow into a new form, teaching you about the edges of what you find important. How important is it? How badly do you want it? What's at stake if you get it or don't get it? And once you face these challenges that are right for you, at the pace that's right for you, you'll get what you need, though it might not be what you originally thought you wanted. Then what? You'll do it all over again and become an even better version of yourself in the process. Around and around. It's a cycle. You might even show up as someone's mentor in their story. So what's the smallest thing that you can begin, the smallest step that you can take on your journey today? Comment down below for accountability, go do it, and then comment again on how it went. Game on.